So you ever got a session, you have delays, you have auxes, nothing is named. So if we go to IO, it'll look just like this. And that's pretty annoying. So let's say we got this session from a client. Nothing is named. If we go to the mixer window, we have two auxes. Now before I do anything, I'll listen back to the session. But in this session, it's crucial that I keep these two. We have the mod delay 3. This is the session I used the other day for the ping pong effect. So the first thing I'll do, I'll name this. I'm going to rename this to Pong 1, Pong 2. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to put delay. One. Then I'll go to the next one. So now I know exactly what they're doing. If I go to the IO, check this out. So we have those two, and we know what those two are now. So I'm going to highlight bus 1 and 2, holding down shift. I'm going to select the rest of the buses. I'm going to delete those paths. I'm going to press OK. So now there's nothing else there. I'm going to highlight the last track. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Import, Session Data, and I'm going to look for my template. I'm going to select everything in here. And for now, I'm going to just press OK. And it's automatically going to import my template. That's fine. All right, so the next thing I would do, I'm going to select all those tracks. And I'm going to put this on the top of the session. Now, you don't have to do this. I do this. This is something I've been doing for a while, so I don't like to change things up. Whenever I import my template goes on the top, the rest of the session at the bottom. So it'll look something like this. Just something I'm used to doing. Now we're going to take a look at the IO. Check it out. I have all my routing, and there's no bus 1 and 2. Everything's in order. If I need more buses, I can just create them, name them right there. Now I have to give credit where it's due. I saw Andrew Sheps do this within one of his sessions, and I just started doing it. So if this is the first time watching one of my videos, subscribe to the channel. Press the bell for future notifications. If you want to talk about what you just saw in this video, post in the bottom. Let's talk about it. Also, don't forget to check the description for useful information. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.